Junsu. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are reviewing MACQUEEN New York's pencil in cherry blossom latte, and we're going to find out, is it really smudge proof? It's not, it works, or it does not work. It is really a cheap product, so let's see. But I've heard really good reviews about it. Many people swear by it, so let's find out. Does it work or it does not work? Is it really a hyped product? Let's get on to it.
So the product claims that it is a gel type eyeliner with a creamy texture. It adheres to skin smoothly to create even solid lines. It is resistant to water, oil and friction. So guys, the packaging is basic with the color on the end. You get 10 grams for $3. I am reviewing Cherry Blossom Latte, and of course I have bought this myself. The pencil is skin colored, it dries fast. This color is glittering golden beige color that is suitable as a daily under eye color. It can be smudged right away, but once we have applied it, it has dried after a minute. It cannot be smudged, but it can be smudged right away after applying, but it lightens if we rub it. So the eyeliner is like butter and it's very soft. It glides on nicely with the vivid color, but if you put a little pressure on the liner, unfortunately the tip breaks. Now I have owned 2 of these because once my tip was broken, I ordered another one, and it has happened with 2 of the same liners, and I am so disappointed. I will show you one of the pictures and you can see, because I don't know, it's so weak. So a little bit glitter is here and there. Let me go. Okay, so yeah. If you look at here, so the glitter is kind of spreading under my eyes a little bit. So guys, you can see that after 3 hours, the liner is holding on still well. It is my foundation that made it bleed a little. Though the color is not too vivid like before, but I am loving it. To be honest guys, I like this liner, but the breaking tip incident with 2 same pencils broke my heart. The tip or the lead itself is weak, so I will rate it 3.5 by 5 overall because of the weak tip. Otherwise, the liner is amazing, but if I invest a little more money, I can get a better pen liner.
Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on this little guy. I hope that you loved it. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and click on the notification bell as well. This is me, Leneha Junsu, signing off. Bye!